I have an unboxing video for you of the Nesaila Gel Foam Pillow that I bought because it is supposed to have some cooling capabilities, which I live in Florida, and if you've ever been to South Florida or you live in Florida, you understand that even at night it is still pretty warm here. So I've already cut open the package just to go ahead and make it a little easier to do this video for you. And oh, this is nice. They packaged this in its own little carrier. So if I ever decide I want to take this with me, which I just might do on vacation, this is going to make it real easy to transport. Shows off everything nicely, and it looks like it has a zip top to it. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip it. And take out the pillow. Make sure I put this aside so that I can still use it later. And it looks like they have put some information about the pillow right on top. It shows that it is a dual use memory foam pillow. So it's got a cooler side and it has a warmer side. So depending on what season of the year it is for you, if you don't live in South Florida, you might like to have the warmer side. And every once in a while we do get some cool nights here, so it's certainly always good to have a choice. I can tell just by touching it, this blue side is obviously the cooler side. Pretty nice. I mean, that temperature difference is amazing between the two sides. This is going to be really wonderful for sleeping on. Let's show you the inside of this, because obviously this is the cover for the pillow itself. And I'm not going to undo this all the way, just simply because they did such a nice job of getting the pillow in here. And I don't necessarily need to take it out of its pillowcase yet, but I think I do want to show you the difference between the two sides, since it shows two different sides on the paperwork. So I've got this nice blue gel core over this really soft, like Tempur-Pedic-like material, memory foam material. And it's very obvious to the touch that this blue gel core is the cooling side. What a nice feel, just in difference of temperature from there to there. And if you're not familiar with memory foam, the longer you lay on memory foam or have your skin up against memory foam, it absorbs heat. So this side, quite a bit warmer with just that little length of touch. And as I hold my hands on this side, it's staying completely cool. That's awesome. So at night, obviously, the blue side is going to be my side to sleep on when I want to be cooler. And of course, you know, the benefits of memory foam. Memory foam really kind of conforms itself to your body. So it should really cradle my neck nicely, let my head sink in nicely. This quilted topper is really super soft. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I have a feeling this is going to be a very good investment for where I live.